Okay, greetings everybody. Nicholas from Serbia again with one more short and small review and a word of advice. Just recently, a couple of hours ago, I brought for myself back home a brand new SSD hard drive. It's Kingston HyperX Fury. Not very big, but I'm going to use it primarily and only for operating system. The rest that I have is going to be for my data, but I want my system to be fast. And then I decided to do a little bit of experiment, and voila! With no further ado, I installed, based on Gentoo Russian, Calculate Linux 17.6 64-bit version with Cinnamon desktop, rolling release. After installation and update, came about with the latest kernel, cryptographic modular, with all the necessary drivers installed and updated. And then I began experimenting with the commands in the command line for updating software trees and repositories and installing the software that I like to use. So far, I can only say wow. This thing is absolutely flawless. Well, it is a short time, I know, but I'm guessing only one thing: by the speed that the package management is working, it's a little bit slow, but the repositories are so big, they are enormous, they are huge. These people who are maintaining the Gentoo repositories, they have tons and tons of software and software versions. Some of them are even masked, so you cannot install them unless you really know what you want. And I went into a little bit of trouble, just a little bit, of reading the documentation for handling the package management system. And everything seems to be working really well. I managed to install all of the software that I primarily use in any Linux distribution, and some things extra. Welcome, the Calculate Linux console, which is there with a lot of options for advanced users, like PXE install, flash install, system install, user configuration of hardware inside the system, audio boot, package, separate package configuration, and blah blah blah, all sorts of stuff that's for advanced users, I believe, which can help you actually have exactly what you want and what you expect from your computer, and nothing more or nothing less. So everything is highly customizable, and if you build it from scratch, then you can say, I have my own operating system, my own version of Gentoo Linux, which is adapted only for me and my needs and my computer. That's it for now, guys. Short video. Thumbs up for our brothers from Russia, our Orthodox brothers from Russia. Keep up the good work. With the next couple of days, I'm going to do even more videos and presentations for some solutions for how to handle some things in Gentoo and Calculate Linux, because I just started to learn also. But this thing is actually really easy if you know what you want. It only takes a little bit of reading, and that's it. Ciao guys.